to find a little peace of mind, neglecting all my duties, stepping off that straight line. Now I just sit, but my front door filled with indolence and sounds. It's like I'm watching the weeds grow on my brow. And I had a pure potential in a soiled white shirt, with love enough to kill me, but was unsure of its worth. And though the night is sweetened by some